Hey guys, it's Mark, welcome to SpeedTutor, and I'm here and I'm going to fill you in on exactly all the savings, deals and everything that you can make. On the Unity Asset Store, Unity have their $35 sale, which every single asset is $35, and there's even a coupon code that you can use for an additional 10% off when you spend $60 or more. Cinti also have their sale on, which is their $30 sale, which is actually cheaper on their store than compared to the Unity store. There's a brand new Humble Bundle, which is a Unity and Unreal Engine massive bundle of environments that look pretty damn epic, which I'll show you too. And there's even a free asset on the Unity Asset Store, which is worth $100 if you use the code, and I'll put all the links down in the description so you miss nothing out at all. And towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to redeem the Humble Bundle too if you're confused whatsoever. We're going to start off by looking at some of the Unity Asset Store $35 assets. So we've got the Mossy Forest, which is an ultra high realistic package with high-end vegetation across all pipelines, with 17 different tree models, loads of different rock scans, vegetation, and other things to take your scene to the next level. We've got Microsplat, the Terrain Collection, which is a feature-rich set of terrain shaders with hundreds and hundreds of 5-star reviews. It comes with so many features like global texturing, dynamic snow. You've got the puddles, the streams, and the lava and wetness. You've got terrain blending, terrain holes, the curve clusters, wind and glitter, and so many other custom terrain shader features. We've got the Modular Houses, a residential update, which is modular houses with full interiors for you to be able to walk around. So it includes over 300 different prefabs, including a clean and worn look, with 2 demo scenes, with everything modular, with LODs included. Next one is the Ethereal URP, volumetric lighting and fog, which, as it suggests, big feature for URP, which doesn't have it out of the box, so you can adjust density, height, atmospheric scattering, tints, occlusion, quality and noise to create your own volumetric style lighting. Got the multi-type FPS multiplayer game kit, which I've not seen before, so this is a third-person PvP or PvE arena shooter style game template, which includes example maps, weapons, full game modes, a server list, scoreboard, fully playable AI and bots, a player controller, kill feed, ragdolls, inventories, so much to get your multiplayer third-person shooter off the ground. Do come and check out my Patreon to get access to over 225 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else, because there's a big list down in the description too. So you can see the bundle here, which is the Unreal and Unity Mega Bundle, which has a bunch of environments, and some of them look absolutely beautiful. And it is a 38 item bundle, which is around £23 or maybe $26-7 for everything. There is specifically 20 Unity backs in this bundle, and I'll run you through those. There's the Stylized Nature, Abandoned Hospital, Medieval Town, the Modular Dungeon, Pirate Island, Viking Village, the War Camp, Dark Fantasy Weapons, the Desert Town and City, the House on a Hill, the Olympus Temple, the Messenger on a Mountain, and they all have beautiful videos that you can check out. There's a bunch of Cinti's pack which are featured in this sale, but remember there's even bigger discounts on their own website. Got the UI Toolkit bundle, which includes UI particles, UI visual scripting, UI blurred backgrounds, script components, Scroll View Pro. We've got shadows, outlines and glows, and loads of extended UI features. We've got the Skymaster Ultimate Volumetric Clouds, Skies and Weather, which has hundreds of 5-star reviews, and it's the most ultimate template for creating a skybox which offers everything, whether that's global illumination or its own skybox, whether you need to create volcanoes, wind and smoke, tornadoes, or any style simulation. We've got the parkour and climbing system. I featured this in the free capacity, but this has been released to the store with new updates, full documentation, so you can run and walk across edges, jump around like it's Assassin's Creed, you can hang on ledges and shimmy across, you can use inverse kinematics to make this work seamlessly with lots of different character controllers too. Yarn Spinner has been a popular one which was originally out on GitHub, I think it was, but now it's fully featured on the Unity Asset Store, which is a really friendly tool to make your own dialogue system, and features a graph view, loads of custom features. Got the RPG Creation Kit, which allows you to create your own RPG just like you always wanted, with a quest system, full AI, dialogue system, player controllers, range weapons, melee weapons, inventory and equipment, full save and loading. It's got an unbelievable amount of features. Got the high quality Abandoned School Modular, which is always a great one for people, with an absolutely massive array of over 500 different objects with an abandoned school theme, fully modular for toilets, libraries, gyms, lockers, and school corridors. Got the Real Landscapes of Valley Forest, one of the most beautiful packs that you'll find on the asset store with over 170 different prefabs with an autumn and winter style, suitable for the built-in pipeline but also upgrades for HDRP and URP too. Got a game called Bubble Merge, which is a template for a cool little merge and tap game with all features including 50 different levels, different bubbles, power-ups, add mob integration, and supported across all popular platforms. We've even got one I thought I'd throw in, the Modern Supermarket, which is a super high quality set of assets in a supermarket environment, whether you need this for stocking filler items for around your scene, or food items, whether it's meat, vegetables, dairy, cheese, and breakfast cereals. And we've also got the House Props and Furniture Volume 2, which is an entire set of over 350 interior objects to create your own beautiful looking house. So if you do need to redeem this yourself, you can click on the bundle that you want, navigate to checkout, and if you've got top cashback, you can save about 1.4% on any purchase on Humble, and the link is in the description too. Then once you've made the purchase, you can click to get your software. Then if you scroll down to the bottom and get your $30 content, which is the Unity key, you can go to the redemption instructions and you can navigate to the Unity Asset Store where you can redeem a voucher. When you're on this page, you can paste in your voucher number. There is plenty more assets where those came from, so these are just a selection of some of my favorites that might be useful for you. Let me know down in the description if you get hold of any or you found big reductions for. Do come and check out my Patreon to get access to over 225 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else, because there's a big list down in the description too. I'll put all the links down below to all these savings so you don't miss out a single thing. And a big thank you to all my patrons. Massive thank you to Peter Steiner and Verisutha for their amazing support, and thank you to everybody else for coming to watch the video. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.